Hey guys, are you also shooting from home on your own and looking for a good mic to use? Well, look no further today because today I have with me one of the best in the business. Well, this is a mic, a compact mic from Boya, and here are the top 3 features. As you can see, the microphone is quite compact in design. It's handy to carry. In fact, I can fit it in just one palm. Here you get like a long cable, which makes it actually convenient for you to sort of shoot anywhere, and it's not going to be cumbersome, right? Because usually we find other mics are very heavy. You have to adjust them, then you have to attach them with so many outputs. But with this one, it's not going to be any hassle shooting with it because it's got like a stretched cable wire which is 6 meters long. And here's a clip attached to the mic. You can just attach it wherever you want, and it makes sure that the mic won't move and it sits pretty much at the same place where you clipped it. Compatibility. Well, this is one of the least discussed topics as far as gadgets are concerned, as far as mics are concerned. You can have the best mic in the world. It can be fancy looking, can have multiple features, but if it's not compatible with multiple devices, there's no use for it, right? You can attach it to your smartphones, DSLRs, camcorders, audio recorders, PC, phones, and pretty much anything that you can think of. So just plug this aux cable right here and connect it directly either with your smartphones or any of the other devices that I just mentioned. Well, it's got a great feature. It's got an Omni pickup pattern which actually ensures 360-degree coverage, meaning that the audio won't spill, it will not get dropped, and it will not disappear in between while you're shooting. So that's like an improved sound quality setup, and at the same time it also cuts your extra noise in your surroundings. So if there is a motorbike moving in the backdrop somewhere far, and most mics tend to catch that audio, catch the ambient noise, it won't do that. While all of those features do make for a good microphone, and this one, again reiterating, is from Boya. It's not a very well-known brand, but it's great as far as its products are concerned. And that's it from me. Let me know just in case you decide to buy this microphone, and tell me how was your experience shooting with it and using it. You can always find me on Instagram at @Kharide, and let me know your thoughts. Till next time, goodbye, and thank you very much for watching.